Downloading and installing? Check. Advanced features and settings? Check. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, this Norton Tutorial 2024 edition is going to explain every step you need to know. Ready? Let's get started. Just a heads up, in the first part of this video, I'm going to cover how to install Norton Antivirus and how to use it on desktop devices. Then in the second part, I'll show you the tutorial for mobile devices. So if you're only here to see the mobile method, feel free to skip to the timestamp on screen now. Now, first things first, you'll need to download and install Norton 360. If you don't already have an account, feel free to grab the exclusive discount I've left in the description, or scan this QR code. It'll make the subscription plans even cheaper. The installation process itself only takes a few minutes and consists of clicking a few buttons. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see a download button on the dashboard you'll want to click. On the next page, press Install on a new device, then Agree. After that, an installation will pop up, and you'll just need to hit Next a few times before you're all set. Today, I'll mainly show you the Norton Antivirus tutorial for Windows, but just FYI, the macOS app essentially looks the same. Great! Once the app is installed and you open it, you'll see that all the main tools are located right on the dashboard. To be honest, when using the app for the first couple of times, it could take a while to find what you're looking for. There are loads of features, and it could be a little better organized. The thing that does take a little getting used to is that for every new tab you click on, a separate pop-up window will appear. Some users prefer this style as it allows them to see all the features they've clicked on at once, while other users find it annoying. Personally, I think it's pretty easy to get used to. Of course, any top antivirus needs to keep you fully protected from threats at all times. So let's check out one of the most important tabs on the Norton Antivirus app, Device Security. As you can see, after clicking the tab, a mini dashboard pops up. From here, you can select the Scans button, and a variety of choices will appear. But what exactly are the differences between each scanning option? Well, the Smart Scan checks for security, privacy, and performance issues. That's ideal for daily use. In addition to ensuring that your Wi-Fi network is secure, this scan tunes up your device to keep it running smoothly. Plus, it only took around 30 seconds to look over 10,000 files, and the CPU load was around 40%. The Quick Scan, on the other hand, had an even lighter CPU load, coming in at around 25 to 30%. And while this one takes slightly more time, 40 whole seconds, it also does a great job at searching for malware in the specific places that it usually hides. As the name suggests, the full scan does just that. It scours every corner of your device to find any threats that may be hiding deep within. During my testing, it took around 11 minutes to complete and had a CPU load between 70 to 100%. What makes this option truly impressive is not only was it able to detect all 10 malicious files that I planted as a test, it also looked through a whopping 300,000 others. Lastly, there's the Custom Scan, which allows users to check specific folders, files, and drives in case they seem suspicious. So, the main takeaway regarding Norton security is that it has consistently done an excellent job keeping users' personal data safe. In its most recent independent testing, it scored 5.5 out of 6 points in both performance and usability, then 6 out of 6 in protection, certainly making it one of the best antivirus options on the market. All right, back to our settings window, which is definitely the one you'll be using most frequently. You're now going to want to click on the Advanced tab. From here, you should now see the Advanced button. This holds all the tailor-made features. And since Norton is one of the most customizable antivirus providers in the field, you're going to want to take full advantage of it. Now, the Smart Firewall feature over here is going to offer some of the best intrusion protection you can give your device. If you click on the Traffic Rules button, you can then press the checkboxes to enable or disable security on inbound and outbound network traffic. Additionally, the Smart Firewall has a vulnerability assessment that constantly monitors your device for threats. If any are detected, be it a leaked password or suspicious software, it'll notify you and suggest a solution. And if you'd like to extend the same level of protection against malware as well, definitely install the Browser Protection extension. This prevents attackers from accessing your information by monitoring each site for suspicious items, sending a warning, and blocking access. If you want peace of mind that your sensitive personal information is safe, this feature is a must-have. Okay, Moving back over to the main dashboard, you can see that all the other features that Norton includes are neatly organized and easy to access. The first one up adds a ton of value to the subscription itself, and that is the Norton Secure VPN. This tool is able to hide your IP address and therefore make it impossible for others to access personal information or see your online activity. As I would expect from any quality VPN, Norton also uses market standard encryption, which makes it essentially impossible to hack. Another really useful tool Norton offers has actually become increasingly more popular and necessary in recent years, and that is a password manager. Now, this tool offers you to not only store all your passwords in one secure location, it also generates new, strong ones you're less likely to be hacked. Plus, the autofill feature is perfect for those of us who loathe typing in our usernames and passwords at every single login. Another handy tool that comes with the Windows app is SafeCam. This allows you to customize which sites have access to your webcam, so no unauthorized ones ever will. Lastly, the dark web monitoring warns users if any of their data, for example banking info, passwords, and personal data, has been leaked onto the dark web. This allows you to act quickly and prevent damage from being done. Though keep in mind, it's only included in the Norton 360 Deluxe or higher tier plans. All right, that basically sums up the Norton Antivirus tutorial for desktop devices. The app is easy to navigate, and whether you're using Norton Antivirus for beginners or advanced users, it has all the tools to keep you protected and away from any threats. Next up, how to download and install the Norton app on mobile devices. To do this, simply hit the download button on either the Google Play or App Store and log into your account. To make sure you're getting the lowest possible price for your protection on your mobile device, use the QR code on screen to grab my exclusive discount. Now, the first thing I notice when comparing Android and iOS interfaces is that they are both similar in appearance and equally simple to navigate. With that being said, due to Apple's built-in restrictions, the Android version does have a few extra features included. Both apps come with web protection, Wi-Fi security, a secure calendar, SMS security, and identity monitoring. Android, on the other hand, also comes with malware scanning, while iOS can only scan to check Wi-Fi and website security. The scan button is easy to locate on the main Android antivirus dashboard, and with a quick click, it checks your mobile device just as it would your desktop. So, as you can see from today's Norton Tutorial 2024 edition, this is one of the best antiviruses of the year. The app has super customizable security and is full of high-value features. The best way to learn how to use it is to simply try it out for yourself. Now, I'm leaving my Norton deal on screen so you can snag a more affordable price. And if you're interested in watching similar cybersecurity content, I'll also put up a video for you to watch as well. Thanks for being a part of the Cybernews community, and I'll see you next time.